trying
Actually, I
to.
can weave, but my I have always my aching head. Yeah.
Hello everyone, I want to share one of a simple dish here in Hong Kong. They call it steamed fish. You only need these ingredients: ginger, thinly sliced strips, spring onions, sliced strips, fish, the soy sauce for seafood, and oil. We use corn oil because it's more healthier. And then all you have to do is just tap the ginger on the fish, spread evenly, and then after tapping the ginger, so you see, you need to have a boiling water. Since I have already prepared my boiling water to steam my fish, here, just have to place it on top of the wok, then cover it, set the fire for the high one, then cook it for 7 minutes. Start it on and wait for 7 minutes. Since 7 minutes is done, just turn off the fire and put on the spring onions on top of the fish, and then cover again and wait for 1 minute so that the spring onions will still be cooked by the steam. Since 1 minute is done, so we just take out the fish from the wok, and then it's too hot. Oh my god. And put in, take out some extra water from the fish there, and then season it with seafood soy sauce. Yeah, just a bit so that it will not get salty. It's quite salty. That's it. Okay. Then from the wok, since the oil is already hot, so we just put oil on top of the fish, just like this. Spread some oil. That's it. It's done. Our steamed fish is already done. Let's have our dinner.
Hello guys! Andito kami ngayon sa isang optical shop dito sa Shatin. Share ko lang sa inyo, may sale sila dito ngayon for frame. May $48, may $88.
Hindi mo yung bag mo makasak ay gagawin.
May promo sila.
Pasok na ako guys.
Sige. Yan. Yung mga eyeglasses nila. So ngayon, dito kami ng kaibigan ko. kukunin namin yung pinagawa naming reading glass. Hi. Chow-san!
We will go to market, but then
Here are some of the sunglasses. My friend Juby. Claiming your reading glass.
ayan, sinukatan siya ng ay susukat sa kanya yung ano, eyeglass niya. Magiging apat na yung mata niya. Magiging apat na yung mata niya.
Claim na yung eyeglasses namin. Inaayos na yung eyeglasses kasi madya maluwag pa.
Tapos,
Tama dun sa matanda.
ano?
Inaayos yung eyeglasses.
Ayan, inaayos niya yung eyeglass ni Chris. Kasi maluwag. Okay naman, baka magalit sa Rebes.
Yan, prepare na siya. Wow. Very nice. Nice color. Let's just trying
Actually, I
to...
can read, but I have always my aching head. Yeah.
You always feel headache. So,
Yeah.
headache.
I
So,
can read. I no problem, but
difficulty, a little bit looking difficulty will make you feel headache.
yeah. Sometimes dizziness.
Huh?
Dizziness. I feel
you
dizzy.
feel so dizzy.
Yeah.
Dizzy.
Sometimes I feel sometimes like vomiting like that.
Oh, you're pregnant, baby friend.
What? My God.
How about me? Can I?
May saya na talaga. Saya.
May grado mga talaga siya, guys.
Can you feel worse or how you tell me?
It's okay.
Besi susukat sa
Honestly,
akin. Bes.
Yun sa kanya rin. Sinusukat yung eyeglass niya.
I think that's for you.
Nice na yung glasses. Eyeglasses. Ayan. Mine is pink. Sa kanya is orange. Orange.
Magmamarket lang. Nag-vlog.
Yung nice nila. So noisy. My friend is so noisy.
Mamarket kami, pero wala.
Siya lang magmamarket. Ako hindi. Nice yung eyeglasses.
Yan, sukat niya na yung eyeglass niya.
Thank you.
Lalo na siyang gumanda. Hindi mo na siya makikilala. Senti. Senti, hindi mo siya makikilala.
Wow, I can
Lalo nang
read
gumanda.
clearly. So, thumbs up. This shop is recommended. Here in Lekyun, Shati. Thank you for watching our video. Bye!